Excuse me.
We're going to prom. Okay, well, we're not. Okay, let's end it.
Excuse me.
I like this one about the guy from MySpace and the guy from Craigslist getting in a fight. That's funny. You're excited. I'm excited. That's good. It's good to be excited. I used to be excited. Well, it's awesome.
He's a burping. Now you got too slowly. Okay, eat the chicken. So you make a big burp. Make the big burp of the chicken.
Stop. No more burping.
Finish the chicken. Make a big burp.
Well, I'm gonna eat your crispy treat.
No, we got to make the big burp. Cause make the big burp.
Excuse me, I thought it was God.
No, we're here. Chachi's watching the movie. We're here. Chachi's gonna burp now. We're here. Chachi finished the chicken so he can go burp. And look over here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Now you have to face the chicken so you can make the big burp, okay?